Yo, it's me, Goita. I got a new job today, and I'm learning to drive. They said a gorilla can't get a driver's license. Haters. But I got a secret weapon, ChatGPT. First shift at Starbucks. I don't even know what a latte is. I asked ChatGPT, explain coffee to a gorilla who likes banana smoothies. Customer, grande oat milk vanilla latte, no foam. I handed her a banana. I panicked, okay? ChatGPT saved me again. Step-by-step instructions. Boom, I nailed it. Coffee king right here. Then someone asked, what's the difference between ristretto and lungo? Me, coffee? Banana? ChatGPT came through again. It's like a coffee dictionary. Then I went to the DMV for my driving test. ChatGPT said, use your mirrors, no banana snacks. I started the car. The instructor was shook. Guess what? I passed, and I made the best oat latte all day. Today, ChatGPT helped me write my story as it happened. Like literally, intro, rising action, climax, resolution. It's a real plot. If a gorilla can drive and serve lattes, you can do anything with ChatGPT. Like, subscribe, and follow the chaos. Next episode, Gorilla does laundry.